On this episode of Designing Spaces, have some cracks or gaps that need filling? Great stuff from the folks at Dow Chemical is a sealant you need to see to believe. Looking to buy a house or maybe refinance your current mortgage? AmeriHome's knowledgeable and sincere loan officers are here to help. In the market for a water heater or boiler? Raypak's been in the business for over 70 years and definitely worth a look-see. Ready to get some new appliances but not looking to spend a fortune? Sears outlets have many of the top brands for a fraction of the price. Intrigued by new tech that consistently monitors water pressure and turns off water if there's a leak? Flo technology has the perfect solution for all your waterline concerns.
Yardwork is an ongoing part of home ownership, and keeping the outside from coming inside between gaps is an ongoing challenge. For gaps like this, I love to use Great Stuff Multipurpose Black. It's black in color, it fills gaps and penetrations up to 1 inch. We just have a few things, and then we can go ahead and get started. Before you start any Great Stuff project, be sure to have on your glasses, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt. Apply the dispenser, shake for 60 seconds, remove the debris from the area, and you're ready to go. Simply apply a bead of Great Stuff sealant, keeping in mind that 1 inch of foam will expand to 2 inches. And it's as easy as that. Multipurpose Black fills gaps up to 1 inch, is black in color, and blends into the surrounding environment. Remember, you can always cut, sand, and paint Great Stuff to ensure proper aesthetics and ongoing UV resistance. Great Stuff Multipurpose Black is a perfect product for lots of your outdoor and indoor projects. To see the whole product lineup and learn just how versatile the Great Stuff family is, visit us at greatstuff.com and follow us on Facebook. You can also find us on designingspaces.tv.
Hello, my name is James. This is my beautiful wife, Amy.
Welcome to our home in sunny South Florida.
We purchased this house primarily because it's across the street from my in-laws.
I grew up in this neighborhood. We moved here when I was in 3rd grade, and when I had a family, I always wanted to come back to this neighborhood because I had great memories.
With a blended brood of both younger kids and older kids, the Dumas family needed both space and comfort.
What I love about the house is the big backyard. Plenty of room if we want to remodel and build a pool in the future. We have a trampoline for the children right now, and just a lot of room to play sports with the kids and run around.
So far, adding a pool is still on the list of projects to tackle, but the family did remodel their home twice already since purchasing it a little over 4 years ago.
Since we moved in, what we've done is we have stuccoed, painted the house, changed the color, put a new front door, entryway door. We have also remodeled the kitchen. We remodeled 1 bathroom, put all new floors in, all brand new doors, baseboards, brand new driveway recently, just recently finished.
All of these projects were able to be tackled with ease thanks to AmeriHome, a direct mortgage lender.
AmeriHome Mortgage, this is Christy.
My name is Christy Wolford. I'm the Executive Vice President with AmeriHome Mortgage. Our goals are really simple. We want to make every single one of our borrowers feel like a member of the family. Whether they're purchasing a new home, looking for an investment property, refinancing an existing home, it can be overwhelming and even daunting. So we want to guide them through it step by step and take that off their shoulders.
We've actually refinanced each of the last 2 years. Everything went perfectly as they said. Never had a glitch, never had a process that came up that, oh, we have to redo this or we have to redo that. Everything was exactly as it says.
At AmeriHome, we really stress the values of walking every consumer through the process as if they were a relative.
Love the new kitchen.
Thank you so much.
It's fabulous.
I love our kitchen so much. It was so much smaller before. It's so much more open now. I feel like it's much brighter now. At least 2 people can be in there now instead of 1.
Doing the refinance ultimately helped us do some work in the house to make the value of the home more, make it more livable for us. the driveway being bigger for both of us to park our cars on, the floors being much easier to clean and maintain with children being around and running around the house. So it gave us the extra funds that we needed without the mortgage going up, incredibly, not taking a second loan or using credit cards too much with the high interest rates. We're able to get a good interest rate, and that's what we went with.
And have you guys ever thought about, as your family grows, maybe in the future looking for another home?
Oh, definitely, for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great. Well, don't forget that we also offer a free realty concierge. So whenever you're ready in the future, we can hook you up with a realtor who's been vetted, who has experience, who does this job full time, excellent customer service ratings, and it's all free to you. I really enjoyed visiting and meeting the Dumas family. They clearly love their home. They use the funds from the refinance to make their home more functional. It's very warm and inviting, and as long as they're happy at the end of the day, that's what this is all about.
Everything that we've accomplished or we've done in the home is now absolutely 100% paid off. We have no debt as far as owing that. We just pay our mortgage to AmeriHome, which makes us very happy.
So I just feel like everything's just going in the right direction for us right now, debt-free and going on.
For more information on purchasing, refinancing, or any other mortgage needs, visit AmeriHome.com or designingspaces.tv. California living. Beaches, relaxation, and lounging by the pool. But even in the land of endless summer, winter months and cool nights can put a little chill in those pool days. Luckily, Raypak Heaters is here to keep the dream alive all year round, no matter where you live.
Well, my name is Bruce Dunn, and I live here in Escondido, California. In the summer, it's hot. In the winter, some of the evenings can be down to 50 degrees. Pool life in Southern California is extremely popular, and being able to enjoy it year-round, especially with the use of a heater, it's a way to live. Mission Pools is a 60-year-old company. We build pools all the way from the permitting stage to the first shovel. So here in the warehouse, we keep a variety of equipment from different manufacturers. In the area of heaters, our top seller is Raypak. Raypak is a brand that we recommend to our customers, but not only to our customers, but I use it in my own home.
Raypak is part of the Rheem family. Raypak was founded in 1947. We've been in business for over 70 years. We do it all from residential to big commercial projects. We do boilers, water heaters, pool and spa heaters, as well as heat pumps for your home pool, as well as commercial pool heaters that can heat Olympic-sized venues. Having a heater really extends the use of your pool and spa area. It's a big investment that you put into your home, and you want to make sure that you get the most out of it. And what we're good at is engineering products that perform and building them to last.
I've had a Raypak for my pool here for over 15 years, and we're replacing it today with a higher efficiency heater with Protect Shield. It's going to give me longer life and give me the opportunity to enjoy this pool with my family all year round.
And sustainability is a big part of Rheem and Raypak, and it's built into our DNA. We are constantly looking at ways to improve and make our product even more efficient and easier to use. That means they run at peak performance, which means cost savings for you as a consumer, and it also means it's better for the environment.
And just like that, a crack team of professionals is off to bring the heat.
What really sets us apart is our training and our resources that we provide. When you work with one of our professionals, you know that you are getting top-of-the-line service. And once you buy a Raypak, you know it's a great investment in your home and you don't have to worry about it. It's going to run. It's not about the heater, it's about those family get-togethers, it's about those birthday parties, it's about a long day of work and just coming home and relaxing in your spa.
The crew's finishing up, and not a moment too soon.
Looks great. Brand new heater. Set to go.
The sun's out, and the kids are eager to jump on in.
This is my favorite spot, to be right here by the pool with the family. Oh my gosh, I love having a heated pool. When it's cold outside, the pool's always nice and warm. Kids come over year round. It allows it to be utilized for 12 months out of the year instead of just a few months out of the year.
We can turn it on for the pool, we can turn it on for the spa, day, night. Actually doesn't make any difference as long as the water's warm.
This is what it's all about. Kids and families enjoying the pool, having a great day out. The technicians came in, they installed the product, everything went flawlessly, because this is why we do what we do. At Raypak, we want to make sure that we bring comfort to people's homes and make sure that they get the most out of their pool any day of the year and make memories.
Smart consumers love a bargain. It's in their DNA. They love a good deal, especially when it comes to home appliances. Big ticket items, stoves, refrigerators, washer, dryers, electronics. When it comes to higher priced must-haves, America's smartest consumers must have a deal. Designing Spaces traveled to just outside Daytona Beach, where we met Fred and Kathy, who'd been seeking appliance bargains for their brand new North Florida home. Recent transplants from New York, this couple knows how to save, and best of all, where to find a truly great deal.
We were looking for a new refrigerator, and I was shopping online, and I saw that Sears Outlet actually had the refrigerator that Kathy was telling me that she wanted. They have an appliance store in Daytona Beach. We did purchase it online, and we were able to actually go there the next day and take a look at it.
Smart consumers also recognize the value of name brands. And while Sears outlet stores have evolved from the original iconic company, the legacies of quality, integrity, and trust live on.
So similar to Sears, Sears Outlet is also a national retailer. We have over 125 stores from coast to coast. We offer a wide variety of products in the home appliance and home categories, refrigeration, cooking, laundry products, as well as furniture, mattresses, lawn and garden, and some tools.
We went there. We were met by one of the store employees, Terry. She's actually the assistant manager there.
So nice to see you again. Very nice to see you. Thanks for coming in.
She met us, and she was so knowledgeable about things. At first, I was looking for scratch and dent, but actually, I got a better deal on a brand new one out of the box. And look how beautiful it looks.
It was a great experience. I'd definitely go back to her again.
Well, we did.
And more.
No, we did. You get the washing machine that you like. I went in there with a budget in mind. I walked out pleasantly surprised with brand new appliances.
After showing them, like I said, a couple of selections, they found one that she really, really liked. And then while we were at it, I thought about a refrigerator that we just got in recently, even though they had purchased one from us a few months prior. I mentioned it to Fred, and we walked over and looked at this refrigerator that we just got in that was absolutely gorgeous. Minimal scratches and dents, just a couple on the side. The only thing you're going to see on this new refrigerator is slight scratching here. It's more like a rubbing on the side.
Wow.
Very minor scratches along the side here.
Nothing
and
on the
that's
front.
all.
Yeah.
That's all you
Nothing on
see.
the front.
And for a savings of almost $1,500.
Oh my God, that's
Man.
incredible.
We had it delivered, and again, flawlessly. They hooked it up.
I'm so glad you were here because it's not a part of Freddie's honey-do list.
Everything was ready to go. Got to do a laundry right away.
Designing Spaces believes in helping you design your space for less. It's what brought us to Sears Outlet in the first place. But we also think the shopping experience should be fun. The company's Joe Kaminsky describes how they do just that.
So we kind of like to look at the business as a treasure hunt. So every day we get thousands of pieces from our manufacturers. You can definitely save a lot of money every single day. And when you come in, every day is different. It might be here today, it might be gone tomorrow.
Like many married couples, Fred and Kathy agree on many things, including big-ticket purchases. But when it comes to chores around the house, Kathy put it this way.
He does his chores, I do mine, and I do them better.
We saved a whole bunch of money. We wound up saving $800 from where I saw it advertised in other places. The delivery from Sears Outlet was flawless. The installation was great because I didn't have to do it. It was one less thing on the honey-do list for me to even worry about.
We also have available to you 24/7, not just in the store, but also on SearsOutlet.com, where you'll find great values every day, so you don't have to wait for a sale. It's 20 to 70% off. We're in convenient locations across the country in strip malls.
Sears Outlet stores, over 100 locations coast to coast, low rock bottom everyday sale prices, and fast, efficient deliveries right to your front door. Redefining the retail shopping experience. Sears Outlet, slightly imperfect, perfect prices. To find a location near you or to shop online, go to SearsOutlet.com. And for additional information on this segment, visit us at designingspaces.tv.
Kathy,
Yes, dear.
where's my favorite golf shirt?
Right next to the honey-do list, where you're standing in the laundry room.
Oh, thank you.
John, Stephanie, and their daughter Haley live in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Recently, they went away to cheer Haley on at her state finals gymnastics meet. They were only gone a few days, but when they returned home, their entire kitchen was flooded.
And we walked into just water pouring down the stairs everywhere. It was crazy.
It was really a total disaster. What had happened was there was a leak in the bathroom toilet. And for 3 whole days while we were gone, nothing but water was coming out and totally drenching our floor.
The water damage was so severe, they had to replace their entire kitchen.
I walked in and water was everywhere. I had to replace the drywall down here. The ceiling was cut down. It looked like a V because water was just pushing from the next level up. It was actually pouring from the light fixtures.
All of our cabinets were destroyed and the dollar signs just started ticking. And at the end of the day, we had to replace our entire kitchen. We had to replace, and get contractors in here to address the damage that happened to the drywall. Fans were blowing all over the house. So while this was all very devastating and was a life-changing event for us, there was a silver lining.
My mom said she likes the water much better in the pool than our kitchen.
After spending a fortune, they knew something had to change.
Flo by Moen was recommended by our plumber, and it's a solution that I am so thankful for.
So, John and Stephanie decided to have Flo by Moen installed in their home.
Flo by Moen is a water monitoring and control device for the home. One device installs on the main water supply line to the home, learns the habits of how water is used in that home, so it can notify you if there's ever a problem with your water, teach you about how you're using your water usage, and in the event that something catastrophic happens, it'll automatically shut off the water for the homeowner, thereby preventing the water damage. The biggest use and the most often use is that we help prevent what's the leading cause of preventable homeowners insurance claims every year. The Flo by Moen smartphone application is really your control center to the system.
The app is amazing. Actually, I never even realized how much water I was using. I looked at it and I'd used 650 gallons of water in one day.
So installation of the product should be done by a plumbing professional. You need to cut into the main water supply line of the home. We have a nationwide network of plumbers that we recommend that can do the installation, so we're happy to help coordinate installations for our customers as well.
In about an hour, their home was protected.
I can't believe something so simple could deliver the peace of mind that I was looking for.
That's what our system is all about, and it really does pay for itself.
After installing Flo by Moen, we saw a dramatic decrease in our homeowners insurance that we're extremely happy about. Now we are truly tracking something that we were never concerned about before.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.